In this video, I'll show you how to see your credit card number on Cash App. If you're trying to find your card number, the easiest way is to look at your physical Cash App card. All your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV, are printed right on it. But if you don't have your physical card with you, don't worry. You can still see all your details directly inside the Cash App. To do that, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the Cash Card icon on the home screen. You'll see your digital card displayed on the screen. Now, if your card is currently locked, you'll need to turn off the Lock Card toggle before you can view any details. Once that's off, tap the little eye icon in the top right corner of the card display. When that icon becomes active, your full card number, CVV, and expiration date will appear right on your screen. You can now use those details to make online purchases or link your Cash App card to websites, apps, or subscription services that require card information. Also, if you go to the Explore Offers section, you can find discounts and deals that can be applied directly when using your Cash App card for online purchases. That's how you can easily see your credit card number on Cash App, whether you have your physical card or just your phone.